Hi friends, happy All Eyes on Friday. This smoky eye combination surprised me in the best way possible. I'm using mascara eyeshadows which come in fully customizable little tins right here that fit into a compact so you only use exactly what you want. No buying these huge eyeshadow palettes that have 80% of the colors you don't want to use. So I just put a base on of Sabrina, just a nice natural base, and now I'm using a eyeshadow color called Bird, and it is a nice neutral warm brown color. As you can see here, it's just giving out a nice light smoked out look, and I put that into my crease and then I blended it up outside of the hood of my eye. Next right there I'm using London, which is a smoky purpley color. So I'm tapping that into the side of my eye and then I'm just sweeping it out to blend it out across the eye just slightly, cleaning up a little fallout there. But in general, mascara has very little fallout. I just forgot to tap that out right there. So then I'm using Cocoa, which is a mahogany colored brown, and I'm tapping her into the corner of my eye with the eyeshadow everything brush and then just slightly blending that out to add depth and dimension into the corner of my eye. Now I'm taking the multitasker brush, still with Cocoa, and I'm using Cocoa as an eyeliner, keeping it in towards the actual lash line because I want my eyeliner to be as thin as possible. The thinner the eyeliner is, the wider your eyes are going to look. But I don't want it to pop too much. I just wanted to just smoke that out and to make my eyes look a little bit more dimensioned. So that's why I am using it as a shadow. Next, I'm going back in with some London, that nice smoky purple color, and I'm just tapping it underneath of the eye and tapping a little bit more pigmentation just into the corners of the eye. And I'm cleaning up that fallout with the Buffy brush, which is amazing for highlighting and contouring. Next, I'm going back in with Sabrina, and I'm just adding some nice brightness into that corner and just really making that pigmentation pop of that shimmer. Going back in with just a little bit of London to blend that transition between the Sabrina and the London. Adding a little bit more Bird to that transition piece at the crease of the eye. And a little bit more Sabrina because I wanted some extra sparkle there. Cleaning up a little bit more with the Buffy brush. So next I'm going to be going in with an illuminator. So there's my mascara compact where everything is in one amazing compact, and I'm just adding a little bit of illuminator with the other end of the multitasker brush just to the tops of the eyes and the inner part of my eyes to add some beautiful illuminated sparkle. I'm curling my eyelashes right now, and I always put a primer on my eyelashes because I have really short lashes, and this really helps maintain a nice full look for me. And now I'm using Better Than Sex, and I have to use 3 coats with this to get a super full look, but I can't tell you how deeply impressed I am with this mascara. And for those of you asking, Maskcara brand does not make mascara. So the owner of Maskcara, her handle as a beauty blogger was Maskcara, and her name is Kara. So that's where that comes from. So that is finishing up with the Better Than Sex mascara. And look at this smoked out purpley look. I was so surprised by this color combination, and it is so nice. It's nice, even smoked out look without being too intense. It's just like a nice everyday smoked out look. I absolutely love these colors together. If you need a color match or if you want these colors, the links are below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thanks, friends.